Welcome to ID Refusal Pro, a series dedicated to real-world encounters between citizens and law enforcement, focusing on public recording rights and lawful conduct during police interactions. Today's footage comes from Portland, Oregon, where a resident documents a crash scene and is confronted by officers who question his presence and filming. The video raises key issues about public access, recording rights, and police accountability. Let's move into the encounter to see how the situation unfolds.
We're asking you to leave. You're in a crime scene. Would you like to be detained?
Would you like to put up some tape?
No, I don't
so
have
the public
to.
know?
No.
Here, I'll be on the sidewalk, which is public.
Then go.
What is this about? Is there any reason for them to be blocking that lane except to just be like assholes? Just like a car wreck. It's not on private property.
The videographer documents a public roadway where police units have blocked a traffic lane without visible crime scene boundaries such as tape or physical markers. Under the First Amendment, recording government activity in public is fully protected when there is no restricted zone. The absence of clear signage means officers must maintain transparency and cannot assume authority beyond what the law grants. This moment raised a critical question for viewers. When police actions limit movement without legal markers, should citizens accept it or assert their rights calmly and continue documenting?
Can we help you?
No, I'm good.
You're good, Jack?
Yeah.
Hey, get away from the car, dude. Go. Get away from the car.
I'm fine.
Get away from the car. Get away from the car.
Committing a crime?
Get away from the car.
Get away from the car.
Am I committing a crime?
You don't need to be videotaping the car. Get away from the car.
I can videotape. It's public.
Get away from the car. I'm asking you to do that right now.
Okay,
Just go.
I just respectfully decline. Just checking out the car.
Respectfully move from the car.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Don't worry.
Go
Calm
away.
down.
It's
Calm
a crime.
down.
Go away.
Calm. What's a crime?
You
Filming
cannot
in public?
photograph people's our computers.
We have computers.
Anything the eyes can see, I
Nope,
can videotape.
you cannot.
You can walk right
It's
now.
time
That's
to
how
go.
that goes.
This is a crime scene.
Don't touch me.
Then-
Don't touch
then
me.
Back
leave.
away.
I have committed no crime.
Then leave. We're asking
You
you
have
to
no
leave. This is
authority
a crime scene.
unless I've committed a
We're
crime.
you're in a crime scene.
Tape it
so
off.
Exit. We don't have to.
Where's the tape?
Dude,
Detained
why do you
by
gotta be
us.
like that, man? We're just asking you
Why
nicely
do you gotta be like
stop
that?
away.
I'm doing nothing wrong.
Officers confront the videographer and order him to get away from the car, asserting a crime scene without any established perimeter. Under the First Amendment, recording police in public remains protected unless access is restricted by lawful barriers. Demands without legal grounding risk crossing into police misconduct, especially when no Fourth Amendment violation is involved, because the citizen is neither detained nor suspected of a crime. The key question for viewers is whether verbal commands alone can limit public rights when the law requires clear, objective boundaries.
I have
We're
committed no
asking you to
crime.
leave. You're in a crime scene. Would you like to be detained?
Would you like to put up some tape?
No, I don't
So
have
the public
to.
know? Here, I'll be on the sidewalk, which is public.
Then go.
I know that is
Get
a
out
private.
of the crime scene.
Where's the tape?
My God.
Put up tape.
No, I don't have to.
I mean, you do if you want me to not stand where I please. I can stand where I please in public. It's a sidewalk.
We're just asking not to
This is a
videotape the
medical
inside of our car.
emergency.
Why do you have to be so difficult and be so hostile? I'm not
Because
doing
we asked
anything
you to move
wrong.
away from the car.
And I
you
respectfully
didn't.
decline. That's what an ask is. When you ask, you
We
can
did.
expect a
It's time to
no
go.
You can-
or a
We can
yes.
play the dick game all you want. That's fine.
That's very rude and unprofessional.
I don't care.
What's
Just
your
like you,
name and
so
badge
take a
number?
walk. Don't have to give it
Name
to
and
you.
badge number?
Don't
Not
have
part
to
of your
give-
policy of the Portland
Nope.
Police?
because You're not. This is not part of your thing.
So you're in your official duties?
I am.
And your name and badge number?
Don't have to give that to you, sir. Time
Don't
to go.
have to give it.
You don't. You are being recorded.
All right. I would like to submit a public records request.
Go ahead. You have to call records.
No, I can do it in person. I can do it in
Not with
person
me.
verbally. You are a public employee. You have to take it or you break the law. Hey, you are...
Physical contact from the unidentified female officer escalates the conflict, prompting the videographer to assert his rights. Under the Fourth Amendment, unwanted touching without lawful detention risks crossing into unconstitutional conduct. Her refusal to provide a name and badge number while acting in an official capacity contradicts standard identification policies in many departments. Raising concerns about police accountability, the citizen remains within First Amendment protection, standing on a public sidewalk. Viewers should consider whether transparency can exist when officers decline basic identification required for public trust.
Hey, you are quite professional.
If you don't mind, if you can just wait over there, I'm sure somebody's gonna come want to talk to you if you want to talk to us. We're just trying to make sure.
I was really just kind of checking stuff out. You know, like when I came up, I was like, hey, what's going on? And I really appreciate you like being like, oh, guy got hit. Yeah, dude, it's terrible. I mean, what they just did was like totally unprofessional and really rude.
Well, yeah, if you
and they won't even give me their names. Can I have your name and badge number?
Right there. Guevara, Guevara 63452.
Thank you. Very professional.
If you want to just wait over there.
This guy.
Just wait for us over there, all right? And then we can get to you. So.
Well, can you give me your name and badge number, please? Uh-huh.
63215.
And what's that officer's name?
You can ask her.
Okay, can I submit a public records request to an employee right now? Verbally? I would like her name, badge number, her date of hire, her salary.
Her name is on her.
Well, I'm submitting a public request to you, and
I don't have her badge number.
as a public employee, you have to take the request, and then you go submit it to where you need to, and then you get it back to me.
I don't know her badge number.
I'm not playing a game. I'm talking about my rights and the law.
And you asked my badge number. You asked his badge number.
Yeah, very nice and cordial. Yeah, she wouldn't give it to me, so now I'm submitting a public records request verbally. If you don't take it, that's breaking the law.
You can wait over there.
Do you want me to make up a number? Because I don't know her badge number.
Well, I'm submitting a public records request right now to a public employee on you're on duty as a public employee. You have to take a public records request. I'm not asking for it right now. I'm giving a public records request. So you have, I think, 5 or 10 business days to get it to me by law. Yeah, you kindly asked. I kindly declined. And she touched me, which is assault. Because I didn't do anything wrong. I broke.
Able to give you a number that I don't know, so I'm not able to give that number to you. I gave you my number. That's what I know.
Yeah, that's why I'm submitting a public records request formally at the moment to public employees. I would like the following information: her name.
We can't give you that. We don't have it.
No, but you submit the public records request, and then they get that back. You have to as a public employee.
If you want,
that's the law. That's the law. I would not break the law if I were you. It's not a big deal. This is not like a pissing match. Like, we can just be professional. And thank you for that. And thank you for not touching me like she did.
Okay, yeah, you bet.
Because I don't like to be touched.
Well, I don't like people videotaping the information we have on our computer screens.
But there's nothing you can do about it except
The videographer invokes his right to issue a public records request, demanding the female officer's name, badge number, date of hire, and salary. Officer 63215 claims he cannot provide information he does not know, but under many public records laws, a public employee must accept the request even if they cannot personally fulfill it. The refusal to identify the officer and the inconsistent handling of the request raise questions about police accountability and procedural compliance. Viewers should consider whether citizens must accommodate unclear processes or whether officers must follow established transparency requirements.
But there's nothing you can do about it except close your computer. That's the thing you can do. You have to create the privacy because, you know, like anything in public that I can see, I can videotape. That's the law.
I'm glad I give you some content.
I hope you do better next time. You're doing good, kind of pulling back and being a little better, but that last comment was pretty rude. And I said no. What? How egregious is that? Isn't it egregious to just say no?
You said no. I said step away.
Well, maybe I can ask you. Give me $50. Give me $50. This is the Portland Police for you. That one guy was cool. He was able to hold his shit together, but those other two, I'm not so sure about the other two. The supervisor was just here. I wonder if this is him here. Pretty good.
Questions that I can help you with?
Yeah, that lady's name and badge number.
Officer over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I can get a card for you that has her name and badge number on it.
That would be great.
Yep.
Yeah.
Anything else I can answer questions about what's going on, or?
No, the one officer was really great, and he was just like, "Oh, guy got hit," and I was like, "Oh man, that's terrible."
Yeah. Sounds like you got.
This guy's kind of touch and go, but she actually touched me, which is technically assault. I didn't do anything to break the law, and I don't like to be touched if I'm not breaking the law. So
it's understandable.
So once I get her name and badge number, I'll probably submit a complaint.
Okay. Just for your information, I guess, just so somebody maybe doesn't pick at you, make fun of it. It's not technically assault. Assault, you have to have some kind of protracted injury of some sort. It'd be more like harassment would probably what you look for.
Okay. Oh, that's good to know. I like that.
You know.
Yeah, state to state's different.
States have like battery, for example. We don't have that. It's not a thing here. You know, other things have like brandishing, like fire. We don't have that. It's called menacing. So it's just different term labels.
Okay.
So just I like to let people know what to, you know. That way somebody's like, oh, you don't know what you're talking about. You know.
Hey, thanks for that. Yeah. I really appreciate that, man.
It's your right to know what, you know, you're talking about. So let me get you what you need? She's out of here. Oh, I can get it. I can get it for you. She'll go to the hospital. Oh, she'll go to the hospital?
Okay.
Officer Guevara, 63. 452 shifts the interaction from confrontation to clarification, calmly explaining that the earlier physical contact aligns more with harassment than assault, since injury is required under Oregon statutes. His approach reflects a lawful balance between police authority and constitutional limits, acknowledging the videographer's First Amendment right to record and the public's need for transparency. This contrast in conduct highlights how proper training can prevent police misconduct. For viewers, the key question becomes whether respectful, legally grounded communication should be the standard expectation in similar encounters.
Okay.
I'll get it for you. 1 second.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate the professionalism.
You good, right? You got Emmy's taken care of?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
We'll be out here in 2 seconds.
I wasn't trying to get in a grudge match, but
No, I hear you. I hear you. So you're good.
yeah, I gotta say, like, you know, I really appreciate good cops. It's a hard job, and I think just some aren't as well trained to interact with the public under the circumstances of an event like this, and that's part of what I'm out here for, is just to like see how they're doing, try and help them along, really. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how a good cop, that guy right there, I'm definitely getting a accommodation, but not the officer who just touched me for no reason and threatened to detain or arrest me. Oh my God, isn't that crazy? How quickly? Don't look at her purse. Don't look at my laptop. But yeah, thanks again for that correction on what statute that might be.
Yeah, basically harassment's like any kind of unwanted physical contact. Somebody comes up, they push you, they poke you, whatever. It's like where you're not injured, but it's you didn't want the contact, right?
Right.
Harassment can also it's kind of, I don't want to say redundant, but there's different levels, like harassment at physical level, harassment of like somebody's like pestering you or texting you over and over
like
again,
yelling at you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So like, there's like a verbal harassment, so to speak, like it's more called telephonic harassment. But there's a bunch of sub caveats basically on like certain things can qualify into this broader term of harassment. But then the assaults here, I don't know how long you've been in Oregon. Assault 1, 2, and 3 just vary based on either the weapon or method used, say gun, knife, fist, and then the level of injury you sustained. So that those both have to be like you have to rise to a certain level to move it out one.
Awesome. I feel like I just got a little mini law school lesson. I really appreciate it, man. I mean, this is great because I'm a learner. I like to learn.
No, I hear you.
And
I mean, you live here. You at least should be able to know, what the laws are. And
right. I'm just a few blocks from here, and I'm like, oh, what's happened to my neighborhood?
I hear you. Did you move here recently, or you've been here a while?
I've been in Oregon since like 2008. But I've been
here in Portland though. Or let me, because you say you live like in this area recently?
Yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, I've been in the Portland area kind of on and off since like 2012.
So you should probably see
the
shift of how it's been different times. So.
Yeah. Portland's gone through some real highs and lows.
Yeah. So I think we're on the upward trend, hopefully.
I think so too.
But craziness happens at all hours and times, right?
Yeah. I mean,
just be careful out here. It can get a little wild.
Yeah. Well, and for better or worse, there was only up to go from 2020.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Yeah.
You can't go much lower than that, hopefully. So this is me, and then on the back, that's her last name, Cavali Singer, and it's 59104.
Okay, man, I just really super appreciate it.
No problem. Hey, you have a good day, my friend.
You too, buddy. Bye-bye.
A police supervisor steps in, provides the requested identification for Officer Cavali Singer 591, and engages the videographer with a professional explanation of harassment, assault, and Oregon's legal definitions. His transparency reinforces the citizen's First Amendment right to record and the public's entitlement to accurate information. The contrast between cooperative supervision and earlier refusals underscores how police accountability relies heavily on leadership. Viewers may question whether proper oversight is the decisive factor preventing small conflicts from escalating into constitutional disputes. This encounter shows why ID refusal matters. Officer Guevara, 63,452, earns a solid B+ for professionalism and lawful de-escalation, while Officer Cavali Singer, 591, receives a D for refusing identification and initiating unnecessary physical contact. The videographer maintains composure and stands firmly within First Amendment protections, earning an A. Understanding public records laws, harassment via assault, and the limits of police authority helps citizens assert their rights legally. Viewers should consider how these principles apply in their own communities. For deeper analysis of ID refusal scenarios, follow ID Refusal Pro and support the original channel documenting this incident.